School's right around the corner, back to school. Never been a better time to be back on video here to talk about safety. I'm an autism dad. My son's 20 now. You know, it's the middle of summer here. If you're a parent to a special needs child with autism or any sort of special needs, you tend to worry about them like I do, especially in and out of school, on the bus, at school, dealing with bullying. That's why I have AngelSense. And it's a great time in the dead of summer here to get into routine with back to school right around the corner. The great thing about AngelSense is I could track my child on the bus to and from school. Oftentimes I could track them at school so long as the school will allow you to have the device. I can even speak to my son on this device while he's on the bus. Brings me a lot of peace of mind, a lot of safety, you know, keeps me restful at night. AngelSense is an affordable, safe, excellent way to be able to know where your child is at. You know, my son requires 24-hour supervision, even at age 20. So with AngelSense, on my app, right on my phone, I can know where he is at all times. If there's emergencies, I can talk to him on the AngelSense as well. Unfortunately, bullying is also a huge problem on bus rides. If you're like me, you've heard all the crazy stories of things that go on buses. Children are left on buses after they're parked, harassed. On the mural here on this high school behind me, there's big eyes of a cougar. AngelSense could be the eyes on your son or daughter to and from school. I highly recommend it. Being an autism parent, you can never be too safe when your child tends to elope, tends to wander off. You know, my son is still mostly nonverbal. AngelSense is my eyes and ears on my son at all times, especially to and from school.